Josie here with Brinkley RV. Today, I want to tell you about an exciting new feature in our Model Z and our Model I L-shaped sofa floor plans. Not only did we keep both of your recliners in front of your entertainment cabinet for comfortable seating, but we also added an easy out sofa that pulls out into a bed for additional sleeping. Let me show you all how easy it is. Now, I do want to mention that with our Model Z 3200 being a bigger floor plan, that is going to have a 3 cushion wide easy out sofa instead of the 2 that you see here. For more information on our Model I or our Model Z, visit our website at brinkley.rv.com and happy camping.